Hey guys, welcome back to my channel POD with Kawa. Happy New Year to all of you. And to make it even better, I'm going to share top trending niches and products that will boost your sales and help you make a great start this new year. So now, without wasting any more time, let's dive right in. So now start with our first niche, that is motivation. January is the month of fresh starts and new goals. After the holiday season, people are motivated to set resolutions, crush their fitness goals, and improve their lives. That's why motivation-themed designs are a hot trend right now. From inspirational quotes to bold graphics, products like t-shirts, mugs, and wall art resonate with people looking to stay focused and positive. It's the perfect time to tap into the new year, new me mindset, and give people the tools to stay inspired. Don't miss out on this high-demand niche. For example, you can create motivational designs for fitness, like these designs, as many people will try to be fit as their New Year resolutions. Or you can create motivational quotes and designs like this to set new attitudes and goals, and hard-working motivational designs. You can also go for creating motivational posters on websites like Zazzle, as there will be a great demand for them this month. Any poster with motivational quotes, sayings, resolutions, goals, anything would be great. Now let's check out our next trending niche, that is, calendars. January marks the start of a new year, and everyone's looking to get organized. That's why calendars are a perfect niche right now. From beautifully designed wall calendars to printable planners and unique desk calendars, they're essential tools for people planning their year ahead. Plus, personalized or themed calendars, like fitness trackers or motivational planners, are a big hit with niche audiences. This is the product that you can sell in both physical and digital format. Now, you must be thinking, how can I create designs for all these niches? Well, you can count on Creative Fabrica for that, as they have everything you need to create a best-selling design. From eye-catching fonts to elements for any kind of designs, Creative Fabrica has it all. I personally use Creative Fabrica for creating designs as it makes designing very easy. And right now you can get unlimited downloads for just $5 a month, and believe me, it's absolutely worth it. So do check it out. The link is in the description. Now let's move forward to our next trending niche, that is funny designs. Humor never goes out of style, and funny relatives designs are trending right now. Like here, funny father-themed designs are also trending right now. Whether it's hilarious dad jokes, clever puns, or witty quotes, these designs resonate with people looking for unique gifts or fun apparel. And it's just an example. You can create funny designs for other relatives also, like mother, sister, brother, son-in-law, etc. And you can also create designs for professions like teacher, doctor, truck driver, engineer, and for whatever you can think of. Just be creative and this niche will sell. Like these designs here, you can create funny designs for almost anything. Just think unique and you will get a lot of sales with this niche. Now let's check out our next trending niche, that is travel. January is the perfect time to hop on the travel niche. People are dreaming about their next vacation, planning trips, or just escaping the winter blues. Travel designs like wanderlust quotes, cool destination graphics, or handy travel gear totally resonate right now. With the excitement of a new year, people are looking for products that inspire and prepare them for their journeys. These are some of the great examples of designs under this niche. You can create designs for destinations that are popular right now or places where people go during winters. You can create designs for family trips, friends trips, and other group trip designs to make sale of multiple units of products, and for products like mugs, tote bags, and for other products related to travel, and you will be able to make a lot of sales. Now let's check out our next trending niche, that is fitness. January is fitness season. It's when everyone's hitting the gym, starting workout routines, and committing to healthier lifestyles. Fitness-themed designs like motivational quotes, gym humor are super popular right now. Think t-shirts, water bottles, or gym bags that inspire and keep people focused on their goals. With New Year's resolutions in full swing, this is the perfect time to jump into the fitness niche and capitalize on this opportunity. You can create cute fitness stickers like you can see right now, and also create reminders and trackers to keep track of goals. You can also go deep and create designs like this one, showing yoga poses or workout routines. Another great example is this category deadlift sticker. You can also create designs combining animals with fitness like gorilla or bear. Then this Stay Hydrated sticker is also pretty great because Stay Hydrated designs are always in demand, so you can make some your own versions of this design. Now let's check out our next and most important niche, that is Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day might be in February, but January is when people start shopping, whether it's sweet gifts for their partners, fun Valentine's Day merch, or even edgy anti-Valentine's designs. There's something for everyone, and you can start to capitalize on this opportunity right away. You can create designs for boyfriend, girlfriend, and for every day of Valentine's week like Rose Day. You can also go for funny Valentine's designs or even create designs for singles. And on websites like Zazzle, you can create Valentine's cards and couple outfits. Try to observe what others are selling and try to create them in your own style, as this niche is one of those niches that will get you a lot of sales. So this is all for this video, guys. Are you going to use any of these niches? Please let me know in the comments section. Also let me know if you have any suggestions. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any upcoming useful videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay creative and stay awesome.